my name is Phương Lê. Today I'm talking about how to take cut off all myself and wash my hand and soap and jump with my jumpers. I wash my face with a towel. I'm hungry. I'm eat hungry. I'm eat healthy food. I'm sick. I'm take medicine. Goodbye.